any questions you need answering?
I will definitely. See if I could get an interview. I'm gonna ask him if I could get an interview. I need to get that interview. I gotta make up because a couple of years ago I interviewed the president. All right. But now I'm gonna make up for it. When would it be a good time for an interview? Tomorrow.
Samaya, who is the boss, she'll be here all day, but it gets very noisy. It gets really noisy, so it's better to go, into like a meeting room or somewhere like that.
Okay.
Because otherwise, it's just so much noise.
Right.
But I mean, if you wanted, I could speak to you now. You could give me
Okay, sure. Let me just swap my battery.
Yeah. No
Thank
problem.
you. All right, we're gonna get the interview. Let me swap the battery so he can go through all of them. All right, everyone.
This is nice.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I like that. I'll have to tell Samaya to get. Well, let me get some of that. Let's say Turkish. I think it's a different distributor in the UK, in the US. Yeah, so I think we've got Tony Williams. We've got this Tony Williams. Now, Tony Williams was a very good drummer of the, I think, 1950s, 1960s,
oh,
maybe.
Wow.
You can look him up. He's
Tony Williams?
Tony Williams, yeah. So I'll look him up. He played with Miles Davis.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I mean, you didn't say any more, did you? Yeah. So that's Tony Williams. Died in 1997. So. Only 51? Wow. Yeah, so that's... the thing. Need to do some adjustments on that one. 17-inch hi-hats. Again. This one's very much like the César Sultan. Got these ridges, one up, one down. Very dark, but also trashy. Turkish range, I mean the Istanbul range.
Which ones are your favorite from here, Richard?
Well, I like that how dark that is. That I mean, really good. I mean, that Sultan because it's like the César. That's probably one of my favourite. But to be honest with you, they're like your children. If you've got children, every one of them's different. You don't like anyone more than the other. They've just got different characteristics. And that's with the cymbals. You can listen to something in isolation, think, oh, that sounds really good. You hear another one and you think, oh yeah, maybe for that song it would be better. There's no cymbals that either of them do that I think are, you know, a bad. Whereas from other manufacturers, when I've heard them played, you think, oh, that is just too bright. So like a Peister 2002 is just too bright and washy for most applications. So if you're playing in a rock band, 2002 and you're hitting them all, it's a noise. Whereas at least these are all nicely defined.
It overpowers, it doesn't blend in.
That's right, it overpowers, and you don't want that. And a lot of, certainly my customers in the UK, they will buy lots of different models because they like the sound of this and the sound of that. There's one of the cymbals that is not on that stand, but it's one of the cheaper ones in a package. It's called the Moderate, and the Moderate, I mean, I don't know why they call it Moderate, but you know, it's like calling something average.
Oh yeah, average.
But that hi-hat has got the perfect hi-hat sound. You listen to it and you think, well, that's what a hi-hat should sound like. and it's just there. I mean, it's not the entry level, but it's just like a package of all three or four cymbals that sound quite good together. But it's an excellent hi-hat. It's just perfect. And all the other ones sound different, but that one is just the right one. Yeah.
Yes.
And that's called moderate.
Moderate?
Moderate, yeah. But it's like there was one cymbal that we came up with. Well, that they developed, and I'm trying to think what we came up with that we came up with the name of it, and they didn't like it because they thought it sounded rude, and it didn't sound rude at all. But the lava one we got, eruption.
Oh,
yeah,
eruption,
because they thought it sounded too much like erection.
Oh, okay, erection,
and we had
lava. Okay.
one of them that's you know, like that. Well, it's like the unfinished China.
The China?
But yeah, I might have. I'll see if I've got a picture of one, because that is a really. But it's a totally random shape, and that's called the lava, and so I think it was. We don't have any here because they don't have a name, but it's. I thought eruption was a great name. It's a very dark.
Yeah, it is.
It's a very dark symbol. You know, a bit like this, but without the stripes on. It's not in this catalogue. That's the older catalogue. But feel free to take the catalogue. Yeah, there's lots of other ones here. I mean, there's those travel cymbals, so that they're small enough to fit in a standard overhead locker bag. So there's a whole range of cymbals: a ride, crash, and hi-hat, all small. They do silent ones, which have got lots of holes drilled in them.
Okay.
They're not here. Lali Kardes is a Turkish drummer. Plays with all these are rides, and then two big, well, a hi-hat and a 14 inch, 15-inch hi-hat. I think that's a 17-inch crash, and then 19, 22, 24-inch ride. That's a signature sign. Get tattooed first. Yeah, there's nothing else exciting here. There we are. So, are you on you're on the Galactic Federation Family of Light?
Well, I just made that up.
Sounds like a religious organisation. But you have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Yeah.
Freedom Gardens.
Freedom Gardens. I'll check it out.
I'll send you guys, once I edit, I'll send you guys the video, the link.
Yeah.
And all that stuff.
Yeah.
Cool. And tomorrow I'll do my best to interview.
Yeah, go and see Samaya. She'll be only happy to talk to you. She's lovely. I've known her about 15, 20 years, so she's you might even get some Turkish delight off her as well.
That'll be awesome. It'll be an honor.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you, big brother Richard. Thank you, big brother.
Thank you.
You're awesome. I appreciate your time and your energy.
No problem.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see ya.
So there you go, man. I might get some free gear, man. Some free Turkish cymbals. I would love to get sponsored by them. I want to get sponsored by Istanbul and Turkish. Like, I don't know, whenever I came across this cymbal company, I was like, man, like these guys are like it. All right, everyone. I'm gonna return the drumstick. I don't want to take it, but I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna go look for the guys. I'm gonna go look for the guys before they leave. All right. So I'm gonna turn this camera off, and then I'm gonna go back. Hopefully I can find creams because I got some flour, and I want to give them some flour. All right. So peace, laters.
Let me get you all around.
Hello, everybody. Last day of Namm. Please make the effort. Be here next year, because it was a close call this year due to the fires. Thank goodness we're all here, so making history. All right, everybody. Peace, love, and health.